Christiana.
And today we're going to discuss the steps that one needs to follow in order to build a successful YouTube channel like Jack's Gap, Marcus Butler TV, Dan is Down on Fire, Sam Pepper, and many others. So step number 1, be born as an attractive male.
Hello.
Step number 2, acquire a nice accent.
I'm British.
Step number 3, use a quality camera.
Is this one okay?
Yes, it is. Step number 4, use a good editing software.
I've got one on my laptop.
Step number 5, have a twin and or an attractive sibling. Bingo! Step number 6, have a catchy phrase such as Marcus Butler's hello! Number 7, be British. Cheerio, would you like some tea?
I love that!
Step number 8, live in England. Long live the Queen.
I live in England!
Okay, step number 9, use lots of crude humor. Moving on. Step number 10, do lots of collaborations. We don't know anybody. And those are the steps to having a successful YouTube channel, which we don't.
Good luck!
Thanks for watching. She just spent half her day editing her video.
No, guys, what a waste of my life.
No,
it included me, it's fine.
Ow, it hurts. No, why would you do that?
Because it does. I think, oh, I know what I did.
You put it on upside down, didn't you?
Why? One more time. You got like 7 at your end, so. I put the pointy part of the tape on myself. And it hurt.
Bloopity doop.
You know what?
Aww. Summer loving had me a blast. Okay.
Shoot.